Our power outlets can be installed in multiple locations alongside the support rail, and you can leave it permanently installed if you'd like. For easy installation, we suggest doing this while the shelf is not mounted and it's on its face. In the kit, you'll find 4 Phillips head screws, 4 washers, 4 acorn nuts, and a small wrench. You'll just need your own Phillips head screwdriver. Line up the outlet where you prefer. Make sure it's facing in the desired right side up. Remember, you're working on the shelf upside down right now. Load the first screw into one of the mounting holes, then load a washer onto the back side and cap it with an acorn nut. Keep these hand tight for now. You might need to make small adjustments. Use the small wrench in combination with your screwdriver and make sure the acorn nuts are secured. And that's it.